Again.
How to make yourself look like a total retard in 2.8 seconds. Of course, this only works if you have glasses. Otherwise, you have to figure out another way to use it.
She looks like a bird.
The jetpacked power bird.
Guys, only Katie would do this. Watch out for the tree! Guys, Katie is kind of... Are you okay? Oh my god.
And the best part about this is that it's immediate. Check this out. Professional. Wow!
And...
Today is Wednesday.